Hello, my name is Naoko Nagano from National Research Institute for Child Health and Development in Japan. In this video, I'd like to introduce a recent article titled Laundry Detergent Enhance Sensitization to Co-Inhaled Allergens and Exacerbate Airway Inflammation in Mice. Previous studies demonstrated that laundry detergent disrupt airway epithelial cells and promote innate type eosinophilic airway inflammation. In this study, we investigated whether detergent exacerbate allergen-induced airway inflammation by using murine asthma model. We intranasally administered antigen in the absence of presence of laundry detergent, followed by the same antigen challenge. When using overlapped Vumian ova as an antigen, increased airway hyperresponsiveness was found only in mice sensitized with ova and detergent and challenged with ova. Those mice showed significantly increased number of eosinophils in the valve. In addition, those mice showed higher levels of IL-5 in the valve and ova-specific IgE in the serum. Such detergent-induced exacerbation of eosinophilic airway inflammation and Ig production were also observed in house dust mite model. These results demonstrated that detergent promote type 2 immune response to co-inhaled antigens. Importantly, detergent-induced Ig production occurred only when sensitization took place via airway, not via skin or GI tract. We then investigated the role of IL-33 and IL-13 in this detergent and antigen-induced asthma model. We found that detergent-induced eosinophilic airway inflammation and sensitization were almost completely abolished in IL-33 knockout mice. However, blocking IL-33 during the challenge phase has no effect. This indicates that IL-33 is critical during the sensitization phase. In contrast, both IL-13 knockout mice and blocking IL-4 receptor alpha during the challenge phase showed significantly attenuated airway inflammation and Ig production. These results indicate that IL-13 is essential for detergent and antigen-induced airway inflammation, both in the sensitization phase and the challenge phase. In conclusion, laundry detergent acts as a T2 adjuvant, promoting airway sensitization to co-inhaled allergens via IL-33 and IL-13. Please read our papers for more details and discussions. Thank you for watching.